एंजाइटी इतना कॉमन हो रहा है। आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे पेरेंट्स को? कम्युनिकेशन आपने एडवाइस दिया, इस पे भी आप इलैबोरेट करें। एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वुड यू लाइक टू टेल द पेरेंट्स कि आप ये करो और ये चीज़ें मत करो? Namaskar. Hello and welcome to the Army Doctor. If you're looking for authentic information, you are at the right place. आज के पॉडकास्ट पे हम बात करेंगे मॉडर्न पेरेंटिंग की। इसके अंदर आएगा आपका डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंस, ब्रोकन फैमिलीज, स्ट्रेस एट वर्क, स्ट्रेस एट होम, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, सेल्फ हार्म, सब कुछ जो कुछ भी आप एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं मॉडर्न पेरेंटिंग के साथ। एंड आज इसके लिए हमने एज गेस्ट बुलाया है क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड एक्सपर्ट को, डॉक्टर हरनूर संधू। लेट्स वेलकम हर। Hi, welcome to the Army Dr. Harnoor. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you for having me here on this podcast.
Harnoor, I was so much looking forward to having you on the podcast because me being a doctor, I have had a lot of children, teenagers coming to me with a lot of problems. You being a child psychologist, you have dealt with so many children, both of us having been mothers to teenagers, preteens. You also have two children, a 5-year-old and 8-year-old, two lovely children. एंड सो हम आज के पॉडकास्ट पे वी कैन टॉक एज एक्सपर्ट्स एंड वी कैन टॉक एज मदर्स, जो हमारा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है बोथ विद पेशेंट्स एंड विद आर ओन चिल्ड्रन। सो आई वॉज so much looking forward to this entire conversation. हम सीधा उसी से शुरू करेंगे. That is the main problem these days, is the technology issue. There is so much of digital overload. There is so much of social media influence. बच्चे स्कूल से आते हैं, दो प्रॉब्लम्स मेरे को तो लगता है हर घर की प्रॉब्लम है, हर घर की कहानी है। आते हैं, सबसे पहले से टीवी के सामने बैठ जाते हैं। दे वांट देयर फूड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टीवी, नहीं तो उनके हाथ में उनके गैजेट्स होते हैं, उनका फ़ोन होता है, मोबाइल होता है, एंड दे आर मैसेजिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली, टेक्सटिंग। अगर उनको बोल दो कि चलो होमवर्क करो या डू समथिंग जो आपके स्कूल में किया है, तो अगेन द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क पोस्ट कोविड इज़ कमिंग ऑन द गैजेट्स, या इट इज़ कमिंग ऑन मेल्स या किसी तरीके से, एंड देयर सबमिशंस आर ऑल्सो ऑनलाइन। आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट कि आप इस प्रॉब्लम से कैसे डील करें। वेयर कैन वी डिस्टिंग्विश कि बच्चे सच में होमवर्क ही कर रहे हैं या फिर कोई वीडियो गेम पे हैं, या किस तरीके से वी कैन सेट अप बाउंड्रीज? व्हाट डू वी डू अबाउट इट?
See, I totally agree with you. A lot of things are happening over on the internet. I think so. Technology itself has significantly altered parenting, by providing both benefits and challenges. What
जी।
has happened with us is like sometimes as mothers, जब बच्चा छोटा होता है, we start introducing गाने लगा दिए, rhymes लगा दी. We don't because if you see in olden days, mom used to run after kids, है ना, एक खाना खा लो, एक रोटी खा लो, and then we have altered into putting up a mobile in front of the child, and the child is sitting and watching and eating, and he doesn't even know what he's eating. How does it taste like? What is more
राइट।
important is a rhyme that is going in front. So I think so. इसके फायदे भी है, नुकसान भी है. It is, that's why I'm saying it has altered parenting by providing both benefits and challenges. It offers educational resources and connectivity, yet also introduce issues like increased screen time. बच्चों को सारा time, the moment you take away the gadget, they have tantrums to throw. They get angry, they get irritated, they can't find any other alternatives to play with. And plus, we cannot ignore that they have been open to the challenges of cyberbullying, and there is so much going on digital thing. Even in kids games or rhymes, you will see there are pop-ups for wrong materials for kids to click onto. And as a parents, I think so we must navigate and monitor screen time by ensuring online safety for our kids. We have to balance the technology. That's where we sometimes introduce offline activities, I think so, as parents to kids. हम सिर्फ उनको opt करते हैं अभी. Nobody is playing board games. Board games are also online, if you think.
हाँ हाँ.
There are group games are there. They can play Ludo online with their friends, or Nintendo is there. Everything is changing into the screen only. You are right. How will we monitor कि homework कर रहा है बच्चा कि game खेल रहा है? And I think so we need to have some effective strategies to balance it. Like we need to model good behavior. We also have to, as parents also, we are on the laptop, we are on the screen. बच्चा बात कर रहा है, मॉम मोबाइल पे लगी होती है, हाँ 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 बोल मैं सुन रही हूँ. We are also not a good role models for our kids. तो अगर हम उनको I think so if we want to change their behavior, first we have to look into ourselves. I always tell parents that first look into our own behaviors. Are we doing justice by teaching kids? You know, अगर हम ही गलत रोल मॉडल हैं, हम ही मोबाइल पे हैं, हम ही लैपटॉप पे हैं, as now since post COVID, lot of work have been from the home, and the parents are on laptop, they have to work. Definitely they have to earn, they have to work, they don't have an alternative. But they never educate kids that see, I'm doing something which is important for the house, you know. Kids think that पापा भी तो लैपटॉप पे हैं, आप भी तो काम कर रहे हो, हम नहीं बोल देते हो, है ना? Very
बहुत
very
कॉमनली
common.
सुनने को मिलता है पेरेंट्स को ये कि आप भी तो स्क्रीन पे लगे हो. तो हम वो
हाँ.
फाइन बाउंड्री कैसे सेट करें हरनूर?
See, first of all, we need to educate kids, and we need. There are many apps also for parents also to keep a track over what kids are doing. You
ओके.
know, and even if you, because key parents nahi monitor kar sakte, they can't be on the head of the child all the time. You know, to see whether he's studying, whether he's not studying. But there are many apps which run in background, and you can track, and you can track on the history of the computer. Parents are aware of it, how to trace it, what are they checking. I think so. They should always keep a check on what child is watching, and they should educate them also about what is right, what is wrong. You know, for kids, everything is right. Whatever they don't, we never question them. You know what you have learned out of. Even when they watch a movie, I always ask parents. You know, you should ask them what do they like about the movie. You know, what did they grasp out of it, so you can at least see where their thinking is going. You know, which part of the movie are they liking it best,
हम्म.
or what have they derived, what is a message that they have achieved from that movie.
हम्म.
So open conversation is must. Parents and children should have a open conversation, not as in directly educating them, but indirectly with examples. You know, giving them options that okay, you like this, I like that about it. You know, they kind of suggesting them. Then they don't feel they don't set up a boundary. They don't block their ears that I don't want to listen. It's just a lecture. You know, but
हम्म.
very in a manner of game or fun. This way, you can at least keep a track on what child is learning out of media, what he's grasping, and you are, on the other hand, you are educating them as well, you know, in the right direction. Um, what
बट
we say,
टाइम्स हैव ऑल्सो चेंज हरनूर. आपको नहीं लगता
mhm,
जिसकी देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन फादर वाज द ब्रेड अर्नर, ठीक है, एंड मदर्स
mhm,
घर पे होते थे, दे कुड कीप एन आई, एंड ओवरऑल द लेवल ऑफ स्ट्रेस वाज ऑल्सो लेस. क्योंकि अब क्या होता है, बोथ द पेरेंट्स आर गोइंग टू वर्क. ऐसा नहीं है कि
mhm,
आप वर्क पे जाओगे और आपको वर्क रिलेटेड स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा. A lot of
mhm,
parents, either of them or both of them, are working from home. So
mhm,
there is a lot of stress that comes home, right? And
yeah,
when we
right.
are conversing with our children, what are the things that we should keep in mind? जैसे communication हमने खोला, हाँ, हमने बच्चे से बात करनी है, पर हम खुद ही स्ट्रेस में होंगे. वो स्ट्रेस वाली कौन सी चीज़ें हैं हमें रोकनी है, हमें बात किस तरीके से करनी है बच्चों से?
See, the thing is that when we are talking about media, a lot of people don't realize this thing that somewhere down the lane, when we are also working on the computer or on the screen or we are on the mobile, somewhere it is causing us anger,
Mm-hmm.
irritation, stress, which we don't acknowledge because we don't see it directly. But when we are too much exposed to this thing, it is affecting our brain cells. It is causing us anxiety. It's causing us stress, which comes on to kids also. You know, we are shouting at them. We lose temper, and when, as you mentioned, when both the parents are working, Definitely, it's like now it's 2024. Both the parents have to work together to meet the needs of the household and the demands of the kids. Definitely, which are also at a rise now.
Right.
So I think I think so. Work boundaries are very important, and for parents also, they need to set up a schedule. If one is working, the other one has to kind of help. You have to help each other as partners, not getting agitated or angry because kids are also watching, and we are the biggest role model for kids. They learn their pattern from us, how to deal with stress. If you're shouting, if you're screaming at each other also as partners, that तुम देखो बच्चों को, तुम देखो, तुम्हारा काम है, so we get
Right.
into that that run, which is also not good, because kids are watching and they're learning, and you might see them in their behavior also. They'll gonna answer you back in the same manner how you both are conversating, so
That's right. I was just
you need to
thinking,
designate.
sorry, I interrupted. I just wanted to add the medical part of it to it. You just beautifully brought out the psychological part कि हम चिल्लाते हैं तो वो एक overall there is an effect, there's an environment that is created, there is stress that is
Mm-hmm.
created in the environment, and children also do not then learn how to really manage stress. अगर वो parents को ठीक से देखेंगे तो अच्छे से करेंगे. Another thing that happens is, Hanu, what happens is कि when there is stress hormone that is produced, it also comes out in the form of sweat. And what that sweat, when each one of us is when inhaling, we tend to inhale दो स्ट्रेस हॉर्मोन्स. तो अगर एक भी जना घर के अंदर स्ट्रेस्ड होगा तो वो स्वेट में हमारे स्ट्रेस हॉर्मोन्स आ जाते हैं, और वो पेरेंट्स तो एक दूसरे के करते हैं इनहेल, इट्स देयर इन द रूम, बच्चे भी करते हैं, दे ऑल्सो लैंड अप
True.
बीइंग स्ट्रेस्ड, not just because we are shouting and arguing, but also because they are inhaling it. So the psychological aspect and medical aspect has been brought out, and I am sure people will understand. आप मुझे ये बताओ कि अगर एक भी जना अगर चिल्लाना शुरू करता है, what should the other
Mm-hmm.
parent do to really diffuse that situation?
See, this is a very nice question that you bring it up. I share one example with you. There was one mom and she said, I don't know, मेरा बच्चा इतना आंसर बैक करता है, इतना चिल्लाता है, and I don't know what to do, you know. And I said, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. See, this is a learned behavior. It's not that the child is born with this. रोता हुआ तो हमने सुना है, हमने कभी चिल्लाता हुआ बच्चा नहीं सुना ना. तो मैंने बोला ये देखो, कुछ ना कोई तो घर में चिल्ला रहा है ना, चाहे किसी तरीके से भी चिल्ला रहा है, बच्चा सोच रहा है कि यही तरीका है अपने अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने का.
True.
Shout out loud, चिल्ला के बोलो, उल्टा जवाब दो. तो then she realized that somewhere down the line she was doing it, and I
अच्छा.
said, see, you are an example for your own child, and you can't say that पता नहीं कहाँ से सीखता है, ये कहाँ से बोलता है. Words and everything kids learn from us, and हमसे नहीं सीखेंगे, स्कूल से सीखेंगे, बट मेजोरिटी 90% हम लोगों से ही सीखते हैं, पर हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता. हम जब उनको सुनते हैं तब हमें बिलीव नहीं होता कि
हाँ.
भाई नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये हमारा बच्चा ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है, अरे हम भी तो ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, है ना.
Yeah.
नाउ ये कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंट्स नीड टू, व्हेन वन इज एंग्री द अदर वन हैज टू काम डाउन or not to answer back. Take your time, because that person, maybe the person is under stress or going through a lot of anxiety and they need to expel it out, and you just have to give a calm shoulder that okay, I understand, just relax, have a glass of water, so the child would also see this, that this is not an appropriate way to respond. If you are angry, you just say that I'm not feeling okay, I'm feeling very angry, I'm feeling upset, give me 5 minutes, just go for a walk or just go and stand in a balcony. Or I would say take a deep breath, as you were discussing about the sweat hormones also. Sometimes we understand to stress ourselves. It's like, if I tell you to carry a very small rock in your arm, you will say it's very light. But if you carry for a very long time, that small rock will also become heavy. That's how the stress is. You're carrying it for a very longer time, it's become a burden. It becomes you have to express yourself. The best is just take a break, or even 5 seconds also. If you break that talk and go out, you will come back with a better mindset. Take a deep breath, and take a deep breath from the stomach, not from the chest. Chest is a very shallow breathing that we do.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, people are like, oh, I can't catch my breath, I'm feeling exhausted. Just take a deep breath and bloat your stomach out and then release it, and you feel the difference that you calm down immediately. Don't be in the moment, if it is causing you stress. Even if you're working on laptop, some meeting is going on, it's stressing you out, just give a hold, 1 second, go out, take a walk, come back. You will see the difference itself. It's like a tried and tested method which really helps. Even
Right.
with the kids,
Mm-hmm.
teach them that, take a break, don't shout, I'm listening to you. Take a deep breath, count 10, count reverse. Okay, now you speak. You will see that the tone automatically will go down. You would not be shouting anymore, or yelling, or throwing a tantrum. Usually that's what kids does, if they don't get anything. That's also a learned behavior of shouting, screaming. Eventually parents give up, they are embarrassed, and they
True.
say, okay, what do you want? Take it.
I still remember when my younger one was growing up. She used to she would want something and she would literally throw a tantrum. The only thing I used to tell her was, please go to the bedroom, throw your tantrum there, and come back once you have thrown the entire thing away. And I don't know, that thing somehow worked. And she quickly learned that mama is not going to take any nonsense and the tantrum is not going to work. You probably have to divert the child, as you rightly said,
Yes.
and just tell them that it's not working. And I think it really works on children. So I was asking, the family structure is also changing in the modern life. It's not like the way it used to be. Like, we would have joint family, and even if both the parents are working in the previous generation, they could leave the kids, forget, and they knew that the nutrition and their psychological demands and everything would be taken care of. Now people have moved far and wide. A lot of our generation has moved out of the cities, out of the countries. They're not living close to their parents, dada
Parents,
dadi,
yes.
nana nani. And how does it affect the children? Have you seen a difference in how children behave, and does is it more stressful both for children and parents?
I think so. Really, I have seen. I would say it's a lot of change has happened. जब joint family होती थी, it was parents were busy working. चाहे mother was not working in the office, working at home. तो दादा दादी या नाना नानी रहते थे to be as good role models for the grandchildren by telling them stories, by narrating them something or the other, and they have major learning was taking place from the grandparents. Because if I have to look back to the times when we were also growing up, I I still remember so many stories told to told to us by our grandparents. चाहे वो रामायण थी, चाहे वो महाभारत थी, चाहे वो any other Krishna stories. And yeah, it really affects your mindset and your thinking also. And in nowadays, being nuclear families or single parenting, it's all about stress, loneliness, isolation. Families who have moved abroad, they suffer a lot because you are tied up into a rat race. Like, it's a big cycle, you can't break it. You are doing the household work, you are taking care of kids, you are working as well. So the amount of burnout happening, it's affecting the parenting as well. It has somewhere taken a backstage. जितना important था, अभी है कि हाँ बस बच्चा किया है, इसको पालना है, इसको बड़ा करना है, इसकी जितनी डिमांड्स है पूरी करनी है. बट समवेयर एक वो जो एक बैकबोन सेट करते हैं ना ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आई थिंक सो दैट इज स्लोली मिसिंग. एंड यू कैन सी, हमने कभी शायद बचपन में ये भी नहीं सुना था ना कि हम स्ट्रेस हैं, हम
Ah.
एंजाइटी है, हमारे हम मतलब वी डोंट इवन गो टू द. बट आज की डेट में बीइंग अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट आई कम अक्रॉस सो मेनी यंग किड्स डीलिंग विद. किसने सुना है एडीएचडी, हाइपर एक्टिव है बच्चा,
Hmm.
यू नो शरारती बोलते थे हमारे टाइम पे, बहुत
Ha.
शरारती है, टिक के
Ha.
नहीं बैठता है. nobody went to a psychiatrist or a doctor that जिसका आप डायग्नोसिस करो क्या प्रॉब्लम है क्या नहीं. अभी क्या है, हम हर चीज आउटसोर्स कर रहे हैं. we are not able to deal with the problem, some problem is there. Even from our resources, our friends, नहीं नहीं तुम दिखाओ तुम्हें जाना चाहिए. So
वो
so
काम
we are
पहले आई
outsourcing
थिंक
it
पहले
so much.
दादा नानी कर देते थे एंड इट
हाँ,
यूज टू बी लाइक अ कंप्लीट
वो
सिस्टम एंड स्ट्रेस
I think
लेवल्स वुड बी लेस.
yes, I think so. उनमें बहुत patience थी because they have done their job. At that time they were totally dedicated to kids. You know, हमारा अभी क्या problem हो गया है अब we are क्या कहते हैं dual भी नहीं multitasking कर रहे हैं एक time पे.
हाँ.
Kids भी, job भी, घर भी, and like as I said, it's a total burnout happening and we don't even realize कि वो burnout हो रहा है.
True, true.
वो burnout is leading to broken families, leading to divorces, leading to uh, very commonly single parenting. Early deaths are happening, you know,
Hmm.
because of so much stress, and we don't understand that where are we heading. We don't ask for help. We are trying
So
to manage
true.
all by ourselves, you know.
So true. And since we've just talked about single families, single parenting and divorces and broken families, मुझे तो लगता है कई बार both the parents are living under the same roof but probably they are not emotionally connected. तो एक तरीके से एक parent ही committed होता है towards bringing up the children and the other parent is not really so much into it. A lot of children, a lot of teens, I had worked with a group of teens and a lot of them came to me with anxiety, depression, self harm. So what is your take on these things? What can be, what is the root cause and how can we deal with it?
See, I totally agree with you. I have come across many such kids who have been dealing with this stress, anxiety, self-harm. Self-harm is like so common. You know, kids don't know how to deal with their anxiety or their anger. And it's not that they want to commit suicide. Self-harm never leads to suicide. People have this wrong notion, you know, they're cutting themselves so they can end up killing themselves. No, it's like they are causing pain to get rid of another pain, which is a mental pain, you know,
Hmm.
the stress that they're going through because they they have very false role models. As in parents, sometimes it becomes very false role model for their own kids. They don't understand, you know, how they're not able to tell the kids how to deal with their anxiety, how to deal with the stress, how to because the communication has decreased. There is
Right.
not much communication happening in the family, you know.
Hmm.
If it's a single parent, they are running after you know they themselves are isolated or they feel loneliness or they are running to meet the two ends that they have to cater to kids needs and they have to take care of the household and definitely when there are two people it's a different equation than single one because it comes entirely on the one person to take care of kids and when there is dual models and plus when the family also see it's very common now we come across many um, families getting separated or the spouse dies or something but they don't communicate to the kids thinking बच्चा है उसको नहीं समझ. I always tell parents that see kid is a mini adult, they understand everything.
Hmm.
You need to have a right channel to communicate with the kids, you know. You should
Hmm.
tell them about your emotions.
Yeah.
You should tell them that if you are under stress or under anxiety, you need to talk to your child about it,
True.
you know. Then they feel that they are wanted, you know. Somewhere they feel that they are responsible. Kids start blaming themselves for the environment that is being created in the house,
True.
um, where they are not really responsible for it. Rather, they are the victims of the situations. But nobody has communicated to them, you know,
It's
and then it leads
basically
to
communication. Everything comes down to communication, I guess.
yes,
Because Harnoor,
yes,
you see, what happened is, I come from a family. I lost my father at the age of a year and a half, and my mother brought us up, both of us. So we are two sisters, 7 years apart. And I today realize communication was so important. My mother is a gynecologist, also has served in the army for some duration, ex army doctor, she also is. सो द आइडिया इज, बट शी हैज़ ऑलवेज कम्युनिकेटेड. मेरे को कई बार लगता है लोग जैसे डेथ भी होगी तो बच्चे को बताते नहीं हैं, पर वो बताते थे कि
हाँ.
फादर की डेथ हो गई है. सो द चाइल्ड, कोई सडनली डिसअपियर हो गया है तो बच्चा किस तरीके से डील करेगा? यू हैव टू टेल द चाइल्ड कि इसकी डेथ हो गई है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. In fact,
Yes.
after my father's death, she went to a psychiatrist to ask, भाई I have to raise two daughters 7 years apart, और मैं किस तरीके से बताऊँ? So he told her कि इस तरीके से करें so that their psychology is not affected, and thank God both of us are doctors today. So
No, this is, I think so, this is a very, very wise decision that your mom took to ask for help. A lot of people don't do that, thinking that they don't need. But sometimes taking up an advice is very good, because then you are outsourcing it, and you are finding the right channel to
right.
talk about it as well, you know. And usually, I always tell parents who come to me that, you know, you should join social help groups or parenting groups, where you then you feel that you're not the only one who is going through this. There are many other people who also are in the same boat,
The
you
stress
know.
level also goes down, na?
Yes,
हाँ.
yes, more or less, because we are under constant guilt,
हाँ.
constant judging ourselves. Are we a good parent? Are we doing a good job? And in that guilt, we are actually not helping the child. We are
Right.
spoiling them. You know, अपनी एक guilt दूर करने के लिए, like let's say I give you an example of a mom. She's busy working, and she's a single parent. And what she will do is, she'll bring all the like bringing a toy or taking them out for a dinner, thinking that no, no, मेरे को healthy time spend करना बच्चों के साथ, which is not healthy time spend. You are getting rid of your guilt.
Yeah.
but the but the bond or the relationship that you're founding with your child is reinforcing into give and take relationship, you know. अब मम्मी को स्ट्रेस है तो मम्मी उसको करने के लिए, अब मेरे को नाइटेंडो ले दो,
हाँ.
मेरे को ये ले दो, you know. Mom will try to keep the best, but the best is communicate, share, talk.
Talk.
Talk about your child's feeling, talk about your feeling as it is. Don't put them in quotes कि बच्चा नहीं समझेगा. बच्चा समझेगा. डेथ को भी बच्चा समझता है कि if the person is not, if you don't, if तारा बन गए, आ जाएंगे, कहीं चले गए,
हाँ.
you know, they have gone to God. No, tell them exactly, you know, we live and we die. It might be a hard truth, but the child would like to listen to the truth,
Yes.
because this is how they're gonna learn. Couple of years down the lane, they would be understanding that yes, what is death, you know. It might sound hard in the beginning, but they would understand what exactly you mean, and you will also be relaxed that you have put it across in a right manner,
यू आर
you know.
नॉट वेटिंग फॉर दैट टाइम कि हम कभी बताएंगे. इनफैक्ट हरनूर,
हाँ.
देर इज़ दिस स्टोरी, वो जो दो स्टॉक्स एक कछुए को, बातूनी कछुए को लेके जाते हैं. आई वॉज रियली सरप्राइज टू नो दैट US हैज़ अ मॉडिफाइड, आई एम सॉरी, सर्टन कंट्रीज हैव अ मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म ऑफ इट, कि वो टोटोइज गिरा and they don't say that it died. They say that there was a haystack, it fell, and he just got lost. I mean, why can't we talk about these things? मुझे लगता है जब stories के form में या किसी और के form में, if we are able to put these words there, then children will not get stressed if we talk about it later on. Earlier the better, but it is just the way for sex education में also, when we talk, we already have a separate एपिसोड ऑन इट, कि 3 साल का बच्चा आके पूछेगा कि भाई मैं कैसे आया, तो यू डोंट हैव टू गो इन टू दी वेरियस डिटेल्स. यू जस्ट टेल देम कि हाँ भाई, आप मम्मा पापा की शादी हुई तो आप आ गए. इट्स जस्ट हाउ you tell at what age. So communication was a very important point that we spoke about. अगर मैं आज बोलूँ आपको कि अगर हमें क्या इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, देर व्हाट आर द टेक अवेज दैट यू वुड लाइक टू एडवाइज द पेरेंट्स, कि आज के मॉडर्न ज़माने में जिस तरीके की हमारी फैमिलीज़ होती हैं, बच्चे ब्रिंग अप हो रहे हैं, द काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर्स दैट दे हैव फ्रॉम स्कूल, द एकेडमिक प्रेशर्स, तो ओवरऑल जिस डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में हम ब्रॉट अप हो रहे हैं, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी इतना कॉमन हो रहा है. आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे पेरेंट्स को? कम्युनिकेशन आपने एडवाइस दिया, इस पे भी आप इलेबरेट करें. एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वुड यू लाइक टू टेल द पेरेंट्स कि आप ये करो और ये चीज़ें मत करो?
See, as I told you, communication is the best thing that you can do to your child, rather than buying them gifts, buying them presents, or navigating them into different channels. Communication is something that you need to understand that I tell parents, they're genetically our composition only.
जी
DNA तो बच्चे में हमारा ही है ना.
जी
तो जब जब हम बच्चे थे, just you have to go back to your childhood. How did you wanted to be treated with respect, with love, और मतलब जो भी आपकी इच्छाएं थी या जो भी the way you wanted, just give your child the same manner, because they are your DNA and they expect in the same way to be treated. Simple solution है, कुछ
जी
भी इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है. सिर्फ इतना सोचो कि आपको कैसे पसंद है, आपको कैसे ट्रीट किया जाए. तो बस वही ट्रीटमेंट आप अपने बच्चे को दोगे तो आपको अपने बच्चे में ड्रास्टिक चेंज नजर आएगा.
ओके
you know sometimes we say na, as parents, I would like you to be open, you should be trustworthy, you should honestly answer to my questions, but are you doing that? First question yourself also. you know
राइट
are you doing justice to it, or are you just running around the bush and कुछ और जवाब दे दो, कुछ घुमा फिरा के, like you said about this sex education also. I saw your podcast, beautifully put together.
थैंक
Why
यू
are you running around the bush and naming the body parts in something which is exactly not? My son was, I think so, 2 years old, and he had his friends also. बच्चे इकट्ठे नहाते हैं ना, तो छोटे होते हैं तो हम इकट्ठे ही नला देते हैं पूल में. So we were changing clothes, and my friend's daughter, she just pinpointed, कि what is this, because she didn't had that same thing, no. And very likely I was looking at the girl's mom's face, and I was like, I don't know whether she's gonna like it or not, because we were changing. 2 साल का बच्चा क्या होता है? But I was so happy. She really named the part. She said that this is he's a boy and you are a girl, and you have been built up in this manner and he has been built up in this manner.
ब्यूटिफुल
हम बोलेंगे 2 साल के बच्चे को क्या समझ. My son still remembers there was this Barbie movie we
हाँ
were watching together,
हम्म
and there this Barbie says something about Ken. Ken doesn't have a penis, and my son says, I know what it is. I said, yeah, yeah. So he remembers, and I believe in not naming anything. What exactly it is, हम biology में जो पढ़ते हैं वही पढ़ते हैं. You know,
राइट
we
बताना
we
चाहिए
can't give. Yeah, we can't name funny names for some things which are biologically named already. It's like confusing them.
यस
कि कि ये है कि ये है.
करेक्ट
So
करेक्ट
I I I believe communication is must, and parents should be flexible, in the mindset, because now world is changing. The media is changing. They know that there is so much exposure around. हम जो I think so, if you compare with ourselves when we were grown up in college, what we learned, our kids are learning in the school only. You know,
यस
they are they are that much mature. They are that much developed. They know dating. हम कॉलेज कंप्लीट करके हमें समझ आया था
तब
कि हाँ,
समझ
what
में
is
आया
attraction, what is happening.
था
But they are talking at the age of 8 years. They're talking at the age of 10 years. Listen at the kids, and you see the exposure that they have.
राइट
A lot of addiction is happening. I come across kids smoking, which are not even which are 12 years, 14 years. How are they getting falsy role models? They are watching, because when they see someone smoking, or when they see someone doing something, it attracts them. Because they really don't know what exactly it is, and they want to try it. Parents, even if they are not smoking, if they are non-smokers also, they should always educate the child about the drawbacks of this thing and why people are doing it. कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. डोंट थिंक कि ये मेरा बच्चा जान के क्या करेगा. नहीं पता चलता कि वो कहाँ से जान जाएगा.
राइट राइट तो एडिक्शंस हरनूर आपने जैसे एग्जांपल लिया स्मोकिंग का व्हाट आर द काइंड ऑफ एडिक्शंस दैट यू आर कमिंग अक्रॉस दीज डेज मेरे साथ तो अब जो पेशेंट्स आते हैं कई तो दे आर सो हुक टू देयर फोन मुझे तो लगता है लाइक स्क्रीन एडिक्शन इज देयर सो व्हाट अदर एडिक्शंस डू यू कम अक्रॉस एंड हाउ डू यू मैनेज देम
See, no, actually, normally people don't realize that screen is an addiction. You know,
या
क्योंकि क्योंकि वो उनको लगता है कि that becomes normal me. मैं बिना देखे तुम एक दिन फोन बंद करके रख दो, या आप तुम्हारा फोन तुम्हें नहीं मिले. You see how much we panic.
राइट
we don't understand that हमारी लाइफ में 90% तो हमारा स्क्रीन टाइम हम खुद देते हैं. बच्चों का तो काउंट करो ही करो. Similarly, बच्चे doesn't realize. They get hooked onto games. They get hooked onto watching pornography,
हम्म.
which comes in form of cartoons.
अच्छा.
That's so funny.
ओके.
They have been introduced. A lot of video sites are there. बच्चे online game खेलते हैं,
हम्म.
and parents should always keep a watch. There are pop-ups happening,
ओके.
and वो pop-up game के तरीके से ही आते हैं. Like they'll have these pop-up will have a full mature woman with big breast and everything, and kids will click it on to play a game. But psychologically, it is affecting. They are educating them towards this sexual education, and kids then start getting, then start noticing such things,
They get
and they are
pulled
not.
into wrong things at a wrong time.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. How is the cyberbullying happening? How is this? Kids are on this Snapchat, this TikTok. TikTok has also become an addiction.
सो व्हाट आर द
Parents are.
साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स, मतलब हम क्या चीज़ नोटिस करें बच्चों के अंदर कि हमें पता लगे कि हाँ कुछ ऐसा गड़बड़ हो रहा है. कुछ होता होगा ना दैट वी कैन नोटिस इन किड्स.
See, first of all, you will see them. They are spending more time on that particular gadget.
ओके.
They're spending more time on these videos. They are not with the friends. They are in their rooms. They are not inclined towards any outdoor sports or anything. And or if they are into addiction of this smoking or something, they are always out of the house, or maybe they are in the bathroom spending a lot of time. You
Mm-hmm.
know, so there are signs. You will see distress on their faces. It's something parents would quickly note that it is offbeat. It's not normal, you know. And I would say never ignore it. When you feel that something is not normal in your child, because every child or even we always have a pattern.
या.
When it is going off the pattern, off the track, parents should not ignore it. It's like rightfully you should take an action then, and
आपकी
so
सिक्स
it's
सेंस या
better.
इंस्टिंक्ट जो उस वक्त कह रही है आपको उसी वक्त पकड़ना है उसको.
Yes. And कई बार क्या होता है कि I would not say that directly start talking about it. Sometimes they take it offbeat. बच्चा बोलता ही नहीं है. वो कहता आपको तो ऐसे ही लग रहा है. It's not like this. It's not like that. और स्क्रीन टाइम का भी बच्चों का ये है कि नाउ जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करते हैं, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी वेयर यू कैन लॉक डाउन द इंटरनेट. आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम इंटरनेट विल नॉट वर्क. बट पेरेंट्स हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. अगर 8 बजे सोने का टाइम है तो 8 बजे एवरीबडी शुड बी इन द बेड एंड द इंटरनेट शुड बी स्विच्ड ऑफ. इट्स नॉट दैट कि बच्चा बोल रहा है मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ बेड पे और ब्लैंकेट के नीचे वो लेके बैठा हुआ मोबाइल या गेम लेके बैठा हुआ और खेल रहा है. They should encourage like books. Read a book. If you're not sleepy, fine, no problem. Just read a book.
हम्म.
You know, or and be a good role model. Do same like what you are educating to your kids. It's not that you imply. हम नॉर्मली पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों को, नहीं जी 8 बजे के बाद टीवी नहीं देखना. उनके कमरे में टीवी लगा होता है और खुद टीवी देख रहे होते हैं.
सो वो
है ना?
डिसिप्लिन वाली बात आ गई ना. जैसे पहले
हाँ.
डिसिप्लिन हम रखते थे लाइफ, वैसे ही डिसिप्लिन आज भी.
Yes.
तो आई विल आस्क ऑन योर टेक ऑन सेइंग नो टू चिल्ड्रन. ये दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. नो कई चीज़ों के
Yes.
लिए हमें बोलना है. किस तरीके से बोलना है और हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट इट.
Such a nice funny question, I would say. अगर हमें किसी चीज के लिए कोई ना बोलते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में पहले क्या चीज आती है कि क्यों, वाई नो.
हाँ.
है ना? और
हाँ.
हम रिलक्टेंट हो जाते हैं. हमें होता है कि नहीं यार मैं तो करूंगी, कैसे मना कर दिया. इवन विद द हस्बैंड आई आल्सो. अगर हस्बैंड किसी चीज से मना कर देगा, बीवी के दिमाग में पहले ये चीज आती है, क्यों मना कर दिया, मैं अपनी मम्मी से ले लूंगी, मैं ऐसे कर लूंगी. फर्स्ट थिंग सेम विद द किड. No, we as I don't know, as psychologists we always say never say no.
ओके.
you know the child will also say no. And usually छोटे बच्चों में आप देखना वो कितना बोलते हैं, नहीं नहीं मेरे को
मैंने
नहीं
देखा
खाना,
है
मेरे को नहीं.
ये ना. दो एज ग्रुप्स आती हैं. एक जब वो बच्चे 3 साल के आसपास पहुंचते हैं तब वो नो बोलना शुरू
हाँ.
करते हैं, और एक जब वो टीन्स या प्री टीन्स में पहुंचते हैं तो वो नो बोलना शुरू करते हैं तब.
तो go to the root cause. ये नो आता कहाँ से है? हम एज अ पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं नो बेटा इधर बैठ जाओ. We start with no only. We don't start with yes. You know, कि शुरू ही हम ना से करते हैं, हाँ से हम शुरू नहीं करते हैं. तो इसका क्या बेस्ट तरीका ये है कि डोंट से नो. Say, yes, I understand, but can we do it a little bit later? You can
हाँ.
delay it.
Hmm.
You can put it in another words by starting with yes. You know,
बट डिसिप्लिन तो रखना पड़ेगा, है ना?
हाँ, discipline अपने आप आ जाएगा यार. You have to give choices. The thing is that we forget to give choice. You know, my husband would always question कि why do you give choice to them? Even खाने तक में भी I'll give them two choices. Okay, would you prefer this or would you like to eat this? तुम चपाती खाओगे कि तुम राइस खाओगे? Just to let them think, you know, they have to decide. They have to take their own decision. So it's kind of slowly implementing into them that don't ask mama to take a decision for you. You have to decide. Okay, there are two choices, there are two ways, because in the life we'll always have two paths. We have to decide. But if we start looking forward toward our parents or towards our mentors, तो हमेशा हम उधर कोई मुंह उठा लेंगे. बताओ क्या करें, बताओ क्या करें. So don't say no to your kids. Say yes. Give a alternative or delay. Never immediately gratification नहीं करो need की. तो बच्चों में patience नहीं आएगी. They would not learn to, you know, wait.
Hmm.
उनको होगा कि इमीडिएटली मैंने मांगा है अभी दे दो. मेरे को भूख लगी है अभी दे दो. मैं बना रही हूँ, 2 मिनट ठहरो, पानी पियो. आई एम गेटिंग. यू नो.
हाँ.
सो हर चीज में थोड़ा सा, इतना नहीं कि भाई घंटा नहीं दो तुम खाना उसको कि डॉक्टर नूर ने कहा था. जस्ट गिव अ बिट लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ गैप, दैट रिलैक्स, हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, आई एम गेटिंग बैक टू यू. इफ यू आर ऑन अ कॉल, जस्ट अ मिनट होल्ड. पहले बच्चे को सुनो. आई मम्मा गेट बैक टू यू. यू नो, ये नहीं कि बच्चा बोल रहा है, आप कॉल पे बात कर रहे हो, करी जा रहे हो, उसको बोल रहे हो तुम जाओ यहाँ से. यू नो, देन दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. You tell your child that mama is on a phone, give me 5 minutes, I'll finish and I'll come and listen to you. But when you have to listen to your child, listen with your ears open, with your eyes on your child, and make sure your child also have an eye contact. Normally parents does this biggest mistake I have seen parents doing it. बच्चा बोल रहा है, आप काम कर रहे हो, आप चपाती बना रहे हो, आप सब्जी को कड़छी मार रहे हो. हाँ हाँ, तो बोल, मैं सुन रही हूँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ. यू नो, नहीं, ऐसे सुनना नहीं होता. यू नो,
The eye
ये सुनना नहीं
contact
होता.
is very very important. The
Yes, yes,
communication, the key to communication. आप eye contact नहीं
yes,
करते तो उसको feel नहीं होता ना कि he or she is
नहीं.
being received.
Yes, your child also needs to feel wanted, that you know beta I am listening to you completely. Because आप जितना मर्जी ट्राई कर लो, your see mind cannot register two things at a time. अगर आप सब्जी में हल्दी डाल रहे हो तो दिमाग हल्दी में चल रहा है. आप ये सोचते हो कि मैं दोनों काम कर रही हूँ, आप कुछ चीजें मिस आउट कर जाते हो. जो बच्चे के जेस्चर्स हैं, जो बच्चे के
So true.
तरीका है बात करने का. इज ही एंशियस, इज ही हैप्पी, is he in a sad state of telling you? We miss on those emotions
So
and we
true.
cannot catch them.
So true. Harnoor, from today's conversation, I think the pearls of wisdom that tell us that we have to properly communicate. That is the key to everything. And we have to
True.
tell children that the Instagram, the Facebook life is different. It is not the same. And we have to be flexible with them. We cannot have just fixed rules. Life है, बच्चे हैं, उनको अलग तरीके से हर सिचुएशन में हमें डील करना है. हमें उनको फैक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ उनको समझाने हैं और हमें उनको फॉल्स होप्स नहीं देनी कि भाई झूठ नहीं बोलना कि हम आपको उस ट्रिप पे लेके जाएंगे और हम उनको नहीं लेके जाएं. बिकॉज देयर सो मच देयर ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम एंड सो मच ऑन द फेसबुक. वो देखते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को किसी तरीके किसी यूरोप ट्रिप पे जाते हुए या कहीं पे जाते हुए. तो दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. And you want to add something? Did I miss on something?
No, no, nothing. I totally agree with what you said. I think so. It's a fake world which has been created by the media. You really can't take a child out of it. But what you can do is you need to educate them, you know, that beta, this is not the right world. You know, it is something which is created to get those likes, to get those because a lot of families are fighting over these things, you know, कि वो फलाने उधर हॉलीडे पे गए हैं, हम यहीं बैठे हैं. So the false expectations and the false notions it's creating,
Hmm.
I believe, but one should question itself, you know, कि is it worth it?
हाँ.
Parents, you know, parents, I would say you should be connected to your children. you know.
बच्चे को नहीं समझ में
Uh,
आती ना वो यू हैव
yes,
टू कम्युनिकेट आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आपका यही इट कम्स डाउन टू द कम्युनिकेशन की रियलिटी ये है और हम इतना ही कर सकते हैं फैक्ट्स ये हैं यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस और बच्चे समझदार होते हैं दे आर
बिल्कुल।
they perceive even if you are not speaking it they perceive they understand and we should put things in clear words. Harnoor, you have spoken about so many things. I'm so glad that you came to the show and you spoke not just as an experienced expert on child psychologist. You spoke about your experiences, about your own children, about your patients. Thank you so much for coming to the show, Harnoor.
Thank you for having me here, and it was pleasure that discussing about it. And if I could make a little bit of difference to anybody's mindset, I would again say, please, guys, communicate with your kids. That is something which is must now in nowadays. You can't stop anything. You can't stop media, but the thing is that channel it right,
Thank
channel
you
it the
so
right
much,
way.
Harnu. Thank you
Thank you,
so
thank you.
much. And dear friends, we had the pleasure of having Dr. Harnoor on the show today. If you have liked what we have spoken about, please do like, share, and subscribe. And keep yourself tuned in with us for more such content. Thank you and namaskar.